Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Tech Knowledge. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your MySQL database to your PC project. So first of all, you need to make sure your XAMPP is running, and let me just go to my browser right now, and here you can see I already open my PC my admin, and first of all I'm going to create a database over here. Here you can see a new button. I'll just click on it, and then let's say our database name will be PHP test, and I'll just click this create button, and here you can see our database is created. Now I'm going to connect my PC project to this database. So let me just go back to my code editor, and over here you can see my project name is PC project, and here I already create a file called connect.php. So here I'm going to write some PHP code in order to connect this file to our database. So for it, first we need to give this PHP tag opening and closing, and inside it we are going to write a few line of code. So first of all, we are going to declare a variable, let's say $host equal to, and inside this double quotation we are going to say over here local host, then we will end it with a semicolon, and after it we are going to declare another variable, let's say $user equal to, we are going to say over here root, and after this we are going to say over here $password equal to, it will be null, and last one it will be let's say $db equal to, over here we are going to mention our database name, and we write our database name as PHP test. So after it, we just need to declare another variable, let's say $data equal to, we say MySQL I underscore connect, and over here you can see first bracket, and inside this first bracket we are going to say over here $host, $user, $password, and $db. So let me just say over here first $host, comma $user, comma $password, comma $db. So after you write this line, you will be able to connect to your database. Now if you want to check it, or if you want to check if there is an error connecting to the database, you can just give a if condition over here, and let me just give 2-second bracket, and here you can see $data. So over here we are going to mention $data triple equal false. It means if the connection is fail, then it will show us a error. So let's over here echo, let's say connection failed. So if there is any problem in the connection, then it will show us a message that connection failed. But if there is no issue, then it will not show us anything. So over here you can see I already open the project in the browser. Here you can see connection.php. So let me just refresh over here, and here you can see there is no error. It means our connection was successful. But if you want to check it, let me just say over here, you can see our database name is PHP test, we write over here. So if I just say over here PHP test 123, then it will give us an error because there is no database called PHP test 123. So if I now save it, then if I just refresh over here, so let me just zoom in, and over here you can see unknown database PHP test 123, and you can also see the message over here connection failed as well. So if I just remove this 123, save it, then let's refresh. Here you can see there is no error. It means our connection is successful. So this is how you can connect your MySQL database in PHP. So thank you very much for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, then please like this video, make sure to comment, and if you want to appreciate me, then subscribe my channel as well.